Week 31, Uganda excels. Going out to Nicole. Listen, by any means necessary, that's my occupation. Started with nothing, rappers only consolation. Muruno Rutalo, Chigambo Churi Dembelio, Chenvasibonida. These words are never expendable. Keep dope, Obadayomo Buridibo. It's a king's role, Siba Kopi Nakatikiro. Everything on 100. The hell if it is minimal. Create an impact for the nation and make your city know. I say this hunger driven, Chisibo Kamurubuto. Pulani Zakuriako, these munches are really brutal. Kunomusinji Gwantu Yomusai Namaziga. So be dope or pay, that's how you have me on a feature. Hell yeah, I'm trying to make a deposit and Simbizogeza Sajo Bamukazi. That's just me and my expression of speech with Tao G. He damn done created the beat. Yeah, week 31. Going out to Nicole Kayaga. Peace and love, man. Yeah.